Can owning a smart scale make you lose weight? That, my friends, is the big question. Hi, everybody. It's Andy Baryer from HandyAndyMedia.com. I'm your DIY tech guy, soon to be fitness guy. Why? Because during the pandemic, once the gym shut down, in the early stages of the pandemic, well, I gained some weight and I was getting worried, man. I was putting on some pounds, stress eating or what have you. So I decided, I want to lose some weight. So I started to jump rope. Now, I've never jumped rope in my life, but I practiced. I watched it on YouTube and I did it every single day. Another thing I did was track my weight with the Smart Scale. I have the Withings Body Plus, I believe it's called, Smart Scale. But today, I'm reviewing the QardioBase 2 Wi-Fi Smart Scale. So suffice to say, I know a thing or two about smart scales and if they really work. So, without further ado, we are going to get into this to see if a smart scale can help you lose weight. So without further ado, cue in that intro. Let's begin with the design of the QardioBase 2. It looks like a typical scale. It's got a premium, almost Apple-like look to it with this white, glossy white. It is made of glass on the top of the surface, and it's got some nice kind of a padding on the bottom. It needs to be placed on a hard, flat surface for it to work. If you want the body composition aspects of it, so can tell you what your fat percentage is, your muscle mass percentage, the body water that you are carrying, and also your bone density. If you want all that kind of data, you got to wear it barefoot because it's using electrical signal that is shooting up your foot. It's going around your body and then back. Now, fat typically has more resistance for this signal because it has less water than muscle. So that more resistant means it's going to take longer, and then there's an algorithm just by shooting that signal, and when it comes back, it determines your body composition. Like I said, your fat, your muscle, your water retention, and your bone density. Here's the thing, okay? So now I got two smart scales. So obviously, what am I doing? I'm measuring on both of them at the same time. And both these scales were giving me similar results. Both these scales, this QardioBase 2, kept telling me that I have 20% body fat. Now, if I have 20% body fat, I would admit it. But I am very, very suspect of that because I've lost a lot of weight over the last year. If you asked me last year, do I have 20%? I've been like, damn right. It's probably at 22%, 23%. But 20% a year after when I lost all this weight, I almost got like a six-pack? Come on. I didn't believe it. So much so, I was so skeptical of these results that I went to my gym and they have another machine that analyzes your body composition. It's called the InBody 270. Same type of technology, except you have to hold these two wands and it says it signal through your arms and your legs all at the same time. More data sets, theoretically, should mean more accuracy. So I go on the InBody the same day, okay? I measure on here, says 20%. Walk to the gym, didn't run. I walked because I don't want to mess up with the machine. Didn't even drink water. Took me 10 minutes to get to the gym, jump on that machine. Guess what it said? 14.5%. This is saying I got 20% body fat. That's saying I have 14.5% body fat. Now, if you look at footage of me jumping rope with my shirt off, you tell me, do I have 20% or do I have 14.5%? I'm thinking if I asked anybody on the internet, any of those fitness guys who are really good at estimating body fat, I think they're going to say it was 14.5%. So here's the issue. You got yourself a smart scale. The smart scale is giving you some dirty data. Not the nice kind of dirty data. This is dirty in the sense that it's not accurate, okay? But, and here's the big but, it is consistent. Every day it keeps telling me I got 20% body fat. So theoretically, if I just start getting shredded, it should go down. And so maybe it wasn't really 20, but it's accurate. So if you do lose fat, you should see it on the graph inside the Cardio app. They'll track everything graphically. It'll show you your progress. You can set goals and you can see how close you get to that progress. It's just the data is dirty. It's not accurate, okay? But it is consistent. So in that sense, you could use this as a tool to lose weight. But if you're the type of person who really sticks to the number, man, this is going to mess your head up, because it's been messing mine up so much. I always go to the gym at least once a month to double check to see how far these are off. And trust me, it's like 5.5% off. That's what we call in statistical world variance, variability, a lot of variability. So in that sense, I was kind of disappointed with this, but it's my Withings InBody is doing the exact same thing. So I think all these consumer grade smart scales that we can buy at home, I think they're all crap in terms of their accuracy. However, they are consistent. And in that sense, you can use it to lose weight, because if you do it every day, you will see progress. You will see, it's like focus on the graph and it going down rather than the actual numbers, because the numbers I think are inaccurate. But if you do lose fat, this will capture it and will show you in graphical form. That's all I'm saying with these smart scales, okay? Another interesting thing about the cardio smart scale, works with the cardio app. Like I said, some people don't like looking at numbers. You know, you don't want to see that number. It kind of hurts. Well, you can set it so you don't see the number, and it will just give you a smiley face on here. So every time you go on it, it'll just do a smiley face. What's interesting, and compared to this, to the other one I have, the Withings InBody, this one actually has a haptic feel. So it vibrates when you first sit on it or stand on it, and that tells you that it's about to do a measurement. So you got to sit still for about 3 or 4 seconds. Then it'll vibrate again. That tells you that the reading is done. From there, it will tell you your body weight and then your body fat percentage. So every morning, I'm always pissed off when it says I'm 20%. Even my BMI, I think my BMI on here is like 23.5. Now, 25 is obese, okay, or overweight. So it's saying that I am very, very close to overweight. And I don't believe that at all, man. I'm pretty shredded these days. So moral of the story, smart scales, the data that it produces is dirty, muddy, but it is accurate. So you can use it as a tool. Just don't read into the numbers. And if you know what, you can just go old school and just get yourself a typical scale and just track your progress on that as well. The whole body composition thing, I just haven't seen good enough data to suggest that these are accurate. So is it worth the money? I don't know. I don't know how much it means for you to lose weight. I don't know if you need a tool like this to lose weight. All I know is losing weight the right way takes time, okay? We're talking months. We're talking diet. It's made in the kitchen. It's made in the commitment that you make long term. It's not going to happen. If you want quick results, you are going to be disappointed. And that weight, even if you do lose it, will come back. And maybe you need a smart scale just to keep you on that progress, that focus. Every time you go in the shower, go ahead and measure yourself. All that data will be captured in the app. Then after the year, you can go ahead and look at it. You don't have to look at it every day. Let it capture the data, and it will keep you motivated. That's all I'm trying to say. Well, I hope you like this review of the QardioBase 2 Wi-Fi Smart Scale. Like I said, the data is dirty, but it is accurate, so it can help you if you use it the right way and not focus on those numbers. Hey, and maybe just go to the gym. If they have, a body analyzer, go and check that just to counteract so you don't go cray-cray like I did. Once again, my name is Andy Baryer from handyandymedia.com. If you like this video, please subscribe, smash that like button, and leave your comment. I want to know, anybody that's been losing weight, if you lost weight, if you're trying to lose weight, if you just need some help, your boy can help you, okay? I did this. I did it, and I succeeded at it. Let's just hope I can keep at it for the rest of my life. Well, that's all the time we have. My name is Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. We'll see you again next time. Bye for now.